So, as I was saying, today we're going to practice conditionals, okay? Again, we're going to go over them again, so let's see if this time you understand them better, okay? So, I'm going to start sharing, and remember that you can follow along with the guide, with the download. I have it linked in my bio, okay? Hola! And we have the plan, and then we have all the slides there too. So every day, when we do our lives, all the slides and all the practice, okay, I put them up as a PDF for the following days so that you can download them, okay? And you have since January, so you have a lot there. So if you want to keep on practicing, remember to go to a link in my bio because you have everything there. And you also have all the lives. I'm putting them up in my YouTube channel, so you can get to go over them again with the practice, with the video. Oh, thank you. Muchas gracias. Sí, muchos corazones. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to start sharing, okay? And remember, today's conditionals. So, this is like a reminder. We have explained this I think 3 or 4 times since I started with the lives in January. Remember, we have 3 conditionals. The first one, it's present, future. So for example, si me levanto pronto, tendré más tiempo. Okay, if I wake up earlier, I will have more time. Just as in English, okay? Present, future. Second conditional, si me levantara más pronto, tendría más tiempo, okay? So, si me levantara, okay, is the imperfect of the subjunctive tense. So, imperfect of the subjunctive and then conditional, tendría más tiempo, okay? If I woke up earlier, I would have more time. Okay, very similar to English. Hola! Hola, Dina. Okay, and the third one, okay, si me hubiera levantado más pronto hoy, habría tenido más tiempo. So you can see the difference between the first one, the second one, and the third one. The third one with the same example, totally different meanings, right? So the third one is something that we can do. The day is over, I haven't woken up earlier, so I haven't got time enough, okay? So it's over, I can't do anything about it, okay? That's the third one. The second one I can change, and the first one too, okay? So, this is like a little summary of the 3 types, and we're going to practice, okay? So I hope you understand them. Tell me yes or no, and if you say no, I will go over them again. So there are conditionals, 3 types, okay? And we're going to practice right away, okay? Okay, let's go. So remember that I'm going to read it. You can answer in the comments down below and I will correct you, okay? And you know what I always say? Don't worry if you make a mistake. We are here to learn, okay? It's my mission to teach you, okay? I love teaching and I love making this fun, okay? So, let's do this. Si llueve, las carreteras mojadas. What do you think? Thank you for the hearts. Si llueve, las carreteras mojadas. So, si llueve, okay, is present. So, si llueve, las carreteras mojadas. So, it's the first one, right? Which conditional is this one? We have 3. Remember, so this one is present. So, it will be, the second part will be. If you don't know how to conjugate it, you can put the tense and that's it, okay? So, si llueve, if it rains, okay? The roads, the subject is the roads. So, las carreteras mojadas. So, it's not estaré because estaré is I. So, si llueve, if it rains, the roads, okay? Well, the roads is plural, third person, estarán, okay? Si llueve, las carreteras estarán mojadas, okay? Las carreteras, remember, plural, third person, plural, estarán, ending in N, okay? Because it's plural. Las carreteras, okay? The roads. and it's future. So future, third person, plural, okay? Yes? Si llueve, las carreteras estarán mojadas. Perfect. Next one. We're here to learn. I always say that we're here to practice. So, si Julio ahorrar, habría podido comprarse una moto nueva. Okay, thank you for the hearts. So, si Julio, okay, if Julio, and then ahorrar is to save, okay? Habría podido comprarse, that one is habría podido. So, habría podido is the conditional but the perfect form. So, which type is this conditional? First one, second one, or third one? Third one, okay, because it's this, you're seeing habría podido, you're seeing the verb haber in conditional, okay, and then you see the past participle. It's the third one, yes. Yes, exactly. Si Julio hubiera ahorrado, perfect. That's the past tense, the past perfect that we say in English. Here it's called pluscuamperfecto, okay? In the subjunctive mood because it's the third person. Muy bien. Perfect. So, si Julio hubiera ahorrado, habría podido comprarse una moto nueva. So, if Julio had saved, okay, he would have bought a new bike, a new motorcycle, okay? Yay! Perfect. Okay, next one. Si Chris no pronto, empezaremos sin él. So here you have to focus on empezaremos. Empezaremos, okay? So empezaremos is the future. So, si Chris no pronto, empezaremos sin él. So if Chris isn't here, we'll start without him. So we are using the future in the second part. So remember, conditionals, we have three types. First one, present, future. So if we have a future, we have to use the present, okay? Yes? Remember? Okay, let's go back. First, si me levanto, tendré. Present, future. Second, si me levantara, tendría, okay? Imperfect of subjunctive, conditional, simple conditional. And the third one, hubiera levantado, habría tenido, okay? Remember. So let's go back. So, si Chris no, pronto empezaremos sin él. So empezaremos, okay, is the future. So what do we have to use? And if you don't know how to conjugate it, just say the tense. So the first conditional is future, in the second part, and in the first part, present. Muy bien, sí, exactly. Llega. Si Chris no llega pronto, empezaremos sin él. Muy bien. Okay, exactly, the present. If Chris doesn't arrive on time, we will start without him, okay? Yay! Okay, next one. Si no estuviera tan cansada, okay, y contigo al cine. I almost said it. Okay, so si no estuviera tan cansada, contigo al cine. What do you think? This one is first, second, or third? Thank you. So, first, second, or third. Si no estuviera tan cansada, contigo al cine. What do you think? So, the first was present, future. The second, yay, exactly. So, it's the second one. Si no estuviera tan cansada, iría contigo al cine. Perfect. Muy bien. Okay. Yes, are we good? So, we only have one slide left. So, remember, we have three conditionals, okay? Okay, let's go. This is our last one, okay? Si no te das prisa, perder el autobús. So, hurry up. So, what do you think? Si no te das prisa, that is present. So, you have to conjugate perder in what tense? Si no te das prisa, el autobús. Yeah, you can say that, really, muy bien. You can say vas a perder, okay? But if it's perfect, okay? But if we use the perder just in, exactly, perderás. I was going to ask you that one. Perfect. Future, perderás. Muy bien. It's future, okay? It's future because we're using si no te das prisa in the present tense. And then you have future in the next one. Perderás. Perderás. Muy bien. Perderás, okay? You will miss the bus. If you don't hurry up, you will miss the bus, okay? Muy bien, okay, perfect. Next one. Me habrías esperado si tarde, and the verb is llegar. So I'm asking you, would you have waited for me if I had arrived like late? What do you think? Me habrías esperado, so we have the conditional, the perfect one. So, would you have waited for me? So, in which type of conditional we use the perfect form of the conditional tense? In the third one. So, me habrías esperado si... Okay, this one is a little more difficult. Let's go to this one. Okay, remember that we have three conditionals. The first one, present future. Second one, we have the imperfect of the subjunctive, and then we have the conditional simple, okay? The third one, look at the third one, please, everyone. We have hubiera levantado, habría tenido. We have the perfect form of the conditional tense. So, if we go back here, is this one? Yes. We have habrías esperado. Muy bien, exactly. Muy bien. Hubiera llegado, that's the one. It's the third one, and you know it's the third one because you have there habrías esperado. That gives you the clue that you have to use hubieras llegado, okay? We have to use that. Me habrías esperado si yo hubiera llegado tarde, okay? Yes? Would you have waited for me if I had arrived late? Muy bien, okay, next one. Si fuera tú, el vestido azul, okay? So, if I were you, I would buy the blue dress. So, si fuera tú, Muy bien, that's it. This one is the second conditional, perfect. Si fuera tú, me compraría el vestido azul. Muy bien. Okay, last one. Our last one. Okay, so let's do this. Si María hubiera sabido que estabas aquí, te llaman. What do you think? What do you think? Si María hubiera sabido que estabas aquí, so if Mary had known you were here, she would have called you. So, what do you think? Hubiera sabido. What does it sound? Does it sound like a first conditional? No. Second? Third one. Perfect. Yay. Exactly. Muy bien. So, te hubiera llamado. Okay? Si María hubiera... te habría llamado. Si María hubiera sabido que estabas aquí, te habría llamado. Muy bien. The conditional, but in the perfect form. Te habría llamado. Yay! Perfect. So, what do you think? Do you think that this time you have understood it better? Yes, right? I don't mind keep on practicing conditionals. I will do it till you get it and you understand every single one of them. Okay, great. Thank you so much for being here with me. I hope that you like this live, and remember, you can watch it again in my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm putting up every single video there, okay? And if you want to follow along, that we have this going on, and you can find this with every single slide since January, okay, since January, on the link in my bio. Yay! Great. So, yeah, thank you so much for being here with me. And remember that I'm here every single day, 9 p.m. Central European Time. And yeah, I hope that you have enjoyed this one, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Un beso enorme. ¡Mua! Adiós. Adiós. Adiós a todos.